If one of your New Year's goals is to do more with less, our next guest proves it can be done. Elizabeth Withey spent an entire year wearing this one black dress. It was part of an effort to simplify her life and save time. The writer chronicled her adventures with the dress, which she calls Laverne, on her blog. We've reached Elizabeth Withey in Edmonton to find out how this experiment went. Hey, Elizabeth, what was it like wearing the same dress for a whole year?
It was very natural somehow, actually. Once I got sort of used to it, and once I'd gotten rid of all the other stuff in the closet that wouldn't go with the dress or work, it became very ritualistic and completely normal.
What would you say were some of the challenges you had to face, though?
Well, I always had to make sure the dress was clean. I think some people have heard of the project and are like, ew, that's so gross. I mean, I obviously wash the dress regularly. So, I mean, it's not a major challenge. Everybody does laundry, but I had to hand wash the dress and leave it to hang to dry and just make sure it was ready for the next day, which is not a big deal at all. There was no ironing or folding. It was pretty awesome. And, also, the seasons were a slight challenge because obviously Edmonton can have pretty extreme weather one way or the other. So during the festivals in August, it can be, 30 some degrees. And then in the winter, you know what the winter can be like on the prairies or anywhere in Canada. So I'd have to plan ahead if I was layering or in the summer if I was, wearing as little as possible while still wearing the dress.
Yeah, a year is a long time to take on any experiment. So what would you say your takeaways are from this experience?
They are that I really don't need that much as a consumer to get through the day and be creative and be a productive member of society. And also that, as I had suspected, most people aren't generally paying attention to what other people are wearing. They're thinking about themselves and their own kind of presentation to the world. And if I had worn something very, patterned and loud, people might have noticed more, but I mean, they didn't notice. I mean, you're kind of like you're just a head walking around in a way. And they might pay attention if it was something really extraordinary.
Yeah. For those people who did know, did you get a lot of why? Why would you do this?
At first, because people were interested in the project, and a great part of the project has been the writing and blogging I've been doing over the course of the year. But mostly they just kind of thought it was interesting and, were in some ways envious. Women, especially in my age group and our age sort of demographic, were kind of envious that they thought, oh man, it would be great just to put on a uniform every morning and not have to decide what to wear.
Yeah. Do you think you've sparked a new trend? Has anyone said that they would pick up on this?
I would never claim to be a trendsetter. I definitely not. But a few people have said that they're going to try to reduce the amount of stuff in their wardrobe, or that they would like to try to take on something like this. I mean, there's nobody saying that you have to do something really rigid for a whole year. I tend to be a little extreme sometimes. But, even if you wore the same thing for a whole week, just to see how that goes, you probably would find it's actually quite easy.
All right, well, we're a couple of days into the new year. Have you been changing up your outfits?
Yeah, it was kind of awkward on the first morning. I kind of didn't know what to do with myself. It was like kind of culture shocky. People kept saying, oh, what are you planning to wear? I'm like, I don't even know. I hope I'm going to get up and have a great idea, because it's back to the old problems of rifling through and what fits and what am I in the mood for and what's the weather like, blah, blah, blah. And I almost wanted to put on the old dress again, but then I had a different TV interview and I thought, well, they don't want to see me in the old one. They want to see me having changed out of it. So I was forced to put something on.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, it was fine. I picked something more colorful. It's good having the freedom again, but I think in the long term, I probably will wear the same things more frequently and not feel like I have to look like a completely new and amazing person every day of the work week.
Yeah, I like it. Thanks so much, Elizabeth.
Thank you for having me on the show.
Yeah, great to speak with you. Elizabeth Withey, a journalist and writer who's chronicled wearing the same dress every day for a year. She's joining us in Edmonton.